Week 6, Garment Construction Techniques. Introduction to Basic Garment Construction Methods. Exploring seams, finishes, and closures. Hands-on practice with sewing techniques. Week 7, Pattern Making and Alterations. Introduction to Pattern Making Principles. Drafting basic patterns for simple garments. Making minor alterations to achieve desired fit. Week 8, Specializations in Fashion Design. Exploring various fields of fashion design, example, couture, ready-to-wear, accessories. Understanding the role of fashion designers in different settings. Researching career paths and opportunities. Week 9, Developing Your Design Aesthetic. Exploring different design aesthetics and styles. Defining your personal design vision and signature. Creating a mood board for inspiration. Week 10, Fashion Design Project. Applying the knowledge and skills gained throughout the course. Creating a small fashion design project from concept to completion. Presenting and showcasing your final project. Please note that this is a general outline and can be customized based on the specific needs and requirements of the course participants. Throughout the course, there will be a balance between theoretical knowledge, practical exercises, and creative projects to ensure a comprehensive learning experience.